going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We're back at Copart for another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list, a big pickup truck. We're going to start with the thumbnail on this one, guys. This is a salvage truck, and I'm not really sure why. It's a 2010 Ford F250 Super Duty. It's got the Power Stroke diesel, and it's a Lariat. It's a King Ranch. It's got the nice interior. It's a fully loaded Super Duty, decked out truck. And I saw this in the pictures, and I was like, I don't even understand what's wrong with it. What would total this out? It's only got 198,000 only. It's only got 198,000 miles, which for a diesel really isn't that bad. Maybe it took a hit in the back or something, but no. Look at this. I mean, it's got some dings and dents all over it. Of course, it's a 200,000 mile workhorse. It's not going to be perfect. Tires look good. Wheels look good. Body looks good. I do notice running board is pretty heavily bent up on this side, but okay, who cares? We can replace running boards and the mounts for them as well. Decent tires, Toyo Open Country tires. This looks good. I must be missing something. If you see something I'm missing, definitely comment below. But I'm not seeing it, guys. It looks like this wheel took a bit of a beating. But I just don't see anything too crazy going on here. Under here, it looks like there's probably an entire fender liner that's missing. You're not supposed to be able to see all of that. Let's take a peek at the suspension here. Maybe something is damaged here? No, it doesn't look like it. Huh. Again, if you see something I'm missing, drop a comment below. Let's take a look at the interior. I love the King Ranch interiors. I mean, I really do. The first time I saw a King Ranch interior was John's truck. He's got a King Ranch that he threw a ridiculous supercharged engine in that he built from scratch. And that truck is a monster. And that was the first time I saw this really, really cool interior. And I have loved it ever since, man. Ever since. That window's down. If we can roll that up, we will, definitely, because we want to try to preserve this expensive interior. These aren't cheap. These seats aren't cheap. They're hard to keep clean. They're hard to maintain, which is why you see a lot of them just discolored like this. People don't take the time to really take care of them the way they need to be taken care of. Let's pop this hood. She is going to be dead as a doornail. They always are. Let's put the key in it. Oh, it's not dead as a doornail. I didn't see any interior lights come on, so I assumed. I guess that's the problem with assuming, right? All right, let's get this hood popped. If I can figure out where is it? There it is. Let's see if we can see anything aftermarket under the hood. Oh yeah, of course. Of course, we have a cold air intake. All right, Motorcraft battery. It's always good to see parts, aftermarket parts, I shouldn't say aftermarket, replacement parts that were got from the dealer. Same over here, Motorcraft as well. Very nice. So somebody liked going to the dealership. Okay. Well, there's only one thing left to do. Let's fire it up. I thought I was going to have to get my booster pack out and have it embarrass me again, but it looks like this one. Feels like it's misfiring. Oh. 0 miles to empty, fuel low. Well, yeah, it could be misfiring because it has absolutely no gas. So, since it has no gas, let's turn on the air conditioning, because that's what you do to a vehicle with no fuel, right? You got heated seats, 2-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low. It's got all the basic stuff, auxiliary lights and all of that stuff as well. Let's see if we can roll that window up real quick before I forget. Yes, good. I made sure all the windows are up, so no more weather will be getting in here. The AC is finally coming on. It's ice cold. We got a TPMS light. Brake light probably because the brake is on. I'm sure if we turn that off, yeah, and a check engine light. Let's give her a little rev. she don't sound happy. Yeah, she's not happy. Oh, but that smells so good. God, the smell of diesel. She's smoking pretty good though, huh? Huh. Yeah, you can see it shaking. Look at this intercooler, guys. Look at this. Holy crap. Wow, that thing is huge. Honestly, guys, she's not bad looking. I'm not sure what it's doing here. I doubt that it's here because of a misfire. That's hardly something that an insurance company would total a vehicle for, you know, unless it was somehow related to an accident. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that smoke. No, you can't see it, I don't think. We'll roll that window back up. We'll go ahead and shut her down. The fact is, it runs. I'm sure it drives, although in its current state, I don't think I would try driving her, guys. Maybe it's just running on fumes. Maybe the diesel that's in it right now is no good. Could have been sitting for 20 years. I don't know. Diesel tends to last forever, guys, so I doubt it's that. I don't know what's going on with it, but if you could get it for a good price, it might be worth taking a risk on. Now, we're going to move on to something we haven't done in a while. Some trailers. Next on my list, we got a 2012 Coachman Freedom Express. It's supposed to be a $22,000 travel trailer. I'm going to be quite honest with you guys. I can't see $22,000 or $23,000 sitting here. I can't. But I guess these things go for a lot of money. So here it is. It says here, lost type unknown, but on the app, it says that this is a flood. So we're going to take a pretty close look at it and see what we see and smell what we smell. Let's see what this is. It is a blah, 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 blah. I don't know, 14 by 5. Those are the tires, weight, tire pressure. It looks like it's what, maybe a 29 footer? I don't know. Forest River. All right. Well, it's got a slide over here, so that definitely makes it worth a little bit more, right? Anything with a slide is going to cost more money. It's actually a pretty nice looking trailer, guys. This is not bad at all. Someone loved their electrical tape. Yeah, they sure did. The reason we're looking at trailers this week is because I am looking for a trailer. I'm thinking about putting a trailer. I haven't decided if I want to put one at my new house or if I want to throw one down at AAR headquarters property. I like this. I like this. It's sitting at $1,100 right now. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Since it's a flood, I'm definitely curious to see how bad it is. These are always awkward when the slides are not out. Nothing fits the way it's supposed to fit. It smells like a trailer. I mean, I'm not trying to offend anybody here, but it smells cheap. That's what it smells like to me. It smells cheap. 20-some thousand dollars. I don't know, man. Water bottle, of course, no water pressure. I always like to come up here and check the vents and see if they're broken, because if they are, that can indicate that you had hail damage, and that could be a problem. Should we look in the toilet? Yep, somebody left some TP in there. Bed's that's kind of small, but I guess it is a travel trailer, right? Got your thermostat and everything over here. We got water heater, water pump. There's your gas and electric. I don't know what that does. Maybe some kind of a light or something. Bathroom again. Looks like you would have had a television there. There's some cable outlets, power outlets, and things of that nature that are covered up by the slide, because this whole piece is going to slide out. This whole piece all the way down will slide out to give you some room. What do we got in here? Oh, I know what that funky smell is. Somebody left the refrigerator open. That's the funky smell. It was probably good they did that to let it kind of just air out instead of filling up with mold and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that open. We've got a nice little 3-burner stove here. Microwave. I like that it's clean. Small oven. You know, it is. It's really clean. This isn't like some crackhead stole it, you know, and was cooking meth out of it. This is actually a really, well, I wouldn't want to turn that on, would you? Holy crap. That needs to be replaced. But you got a nice little table here, a little dinette. Of course, like I said, this whole thing slides out, so you have a lot more room. Let's see what we got over here. Just a little place to sit, or what is this? Storage? No, I don't know. It's just a place to sit, I suppose. So I guess this is just a one-room unit, or maybe one of these folds out to a bed or something. But as far as privacy goes, like, what is this? Up, down. I don't know. We're going to leave it alone. It's got 2 doors. It's got a fridge and a microwave and all the basic stuff you would need. Just seems a little odd that there's only 1 bedroom. Huh. Well, that's interesting. Where would the TV go also? Well, there's a place for a TV right here. TV backer. But there's nothing in here. It's small. This is small. I don't know, guys. Depending on the price, like I said, right now it's sitting at $1,100. It's not going to stay at $1,100, guys. We all know that. But currently it's sitting at $1,100. You know, 1 bedroom. I don't know. It could work. It could work, but I'm also thinking, you know, oh, it's got the electric up, down. This is nice. This is nice, so you can adjust it without having to hand crank the silly thing. This is decent. This is decent. You know, I'm looking for something that maybe I'll consider taking with me if we go on some vacations or something. Something we just pull behind us and park wherever we're going to park and sleep. And something that will work as, like, if I have any guests over. I don't have an extra bedroom in my house. My new house, anyway. And Byers is an hour away. So I thought maybe just having something I could keep down at Byers, and if somebody comes and they want to stay or whatever, family comes over, we could put this at the new house, and that way that person has like their own. We can hook it up to our electric and our sewer and everything, but the person has their own privacy, you know what I mean? It's like their own little home where they can be up at 3 in the morning watching TV if they want without bothering anybody. Tell me what you think of the 2012 Coachman Freedom. We got another one to look at. Let's go check it out. Last one on the list, guys. This is way outside of my price range. This is an $80,000 2003 Dynasty. I don't know who makes it, but this is a nice one, guys. This is a nice one. Let's see. Damage type all over. It's a Roar. I can't even read that. I can't even read that. We'll take a quick walk around. God, this thing is huge. Monaco. It's a Monaco Dynasty. Damage all over. I've got to be honest with you guys. I'm not seeing it yet. Maybe it got rear-ended. No. It is sitting awful low in the back, though, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is, because look at the mud flaps back here. The mud flaps are on the ground. Of course, they came undone, so... Well, those are heavy as hell, too. Maybe it's not. You tell me. Good Lord, this thing is huge, guys. I could not imagine having $80,000 to spend on an RV. I just couldn't. There's your power. Oh, they got it caught in the slide. That sucks. I really don't see anything too bad about this. I don't. I'm not sure what all this damage that they're speaking of is, but I'm not seeing it. 120,000 miles on the odometer. I have no idea what kind of engine they put in this. I assume it's a big old diesel pusher. Can we get in? Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. I was going to say, dude, you got to be able to get in. Got to be able to get in. Oh, wow. Take my sunglasses off for this. Woo! Oh, I like this. Oh, man. Yep, this is the life right here, guys. This is the life. It's a GM. Those are GM keys right there. You're kidding me. General Motors makes this? No. I think somebody just left their keys on there. No? Ah. Dead as a doornail. Dead as a doornail. Okay, so we have a aftermarket TPMS right there, your tire minder. You got a Cobra radio. I don't know where they've got it mounted, but it's somewhere over here. Maybe that's just an intercom for the people in the back. Hell, I don't know. Mask, garage door openers, CD player. Got a little Sony deck there. This is I could roll this. I'd drive the hell out of this. Got you a Samsung TV up there. Let's take a look back here. I got all the books. Who's going to read all that literature? That's a lot of literature, guys. Got like some carpeting right there. Okay. All the shelves have been emptied, opened and emptied. I don't really see anything too wrong with this yet. Wow, that's a nice stove. This is really nice, guys. This is really nice. You get some free soda when you buy this if you want it. So somebody came in here and replaced part of the floor. That's not a very good job. That was really roughly cut in, and the board is too thick. It's so thick it comes up above the tile, so that's never going to work right. Got a really nice big refrigerator right here, freezer, shower. I guess you don't need privacy. Maybe just pull this closed. Hell, I can't get it. Can't get it. Oh, gross. Oh, wow. Hold on. Let me turn on a light for you guys. You see this? Yeah, that is, it's pretty nasty. I was thinking maybe it's coming through here. It doesn't look like anything is leaking. I don't know, you got your little sink right there. I don't know. It smells kind of funky. The further back here you get, the funkier it smells. Little dinette. Nice couch. Another couch. She's decent. She's decent. As far as the all-over damage, though, oh, what just happened there? I don't know. I wish we could start it up. Check it out. We got some... Oh, somebody keeps some oil and pipes and stuff in there. That's nice, because I just about fell when it came off. She's big, guys. She's big. Wow. This is too much. Not just money. It's too much money, but it's too much. This is far more than what I'm looking for. And honestly, I don't want a big old RV, you know, with an engine. I'm not looking for that. If I'm going to get one, I want something like this. Not a fifth wheel. I want a bumper pull, just a pull behind where I can take it somewhere, I can drop it, and then you can get in your truck and just cruise on down the road. You know, that's what I want. But I'm not entirely sold on this whole RV deal yet, so I'm going to keep looking and see if I can find something that tickles my fancy, and if I do, I'll throw a bid on it. And if I don't, well, then I guess I won't buy one. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Definitely consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. I'd appreciate it. Until next time, stay safe out there, buddy. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.